Hi everyone. So as you all know that Nykaa is having their yearly Pink Love sale. So this time I don't know what happened to me. I have bought a lot of stuffs and some of the packaging has already arrived. Some are yet to come. So I thought of giving you an update on what did I buy, and also this is going to be a suggestion for you all in case you want to buy some of this. So as you can predict, this video is going to come in two different parts because some of the products are yet to arrive. So let's begin with the first one. The first one is the Makeup Forever. So I am actually reading all my orders from Nykaa. So this is the Makeup Forever lip liner pencil in the shade Limitless Brown 608. So I have been eyeing this for long, and primarily I was not getting it because it went out of stock because it suits most Indian skin tones, and secondly this is a very expensive one. So this time when it was on sale, I got it for around 2000. It is a multitasking product, and that is why there is so much of hype, because you can use it as your lip liner, you can use it as your contour, and you can also use it as your eyeliner. I have tried it and it's honestly multitasking product. So this is a worth investing product, I would say. In case you want to grab it, you can check it because the sale is still going on. Next one is Etude Fixing Tint, and you may have already watched some of the videos previously because I have already got like 4 to 5 shades, but I wanted to try a new shade from this range which I didn't want to buy full size, and I was also waiting for this sale to come. So this is the one. The shade is called Midnight Mauve. Bit of a nude tone, I would say, but I have worn it with Limitless Brown and it looks fantastic. Detailed review would definitely be there on my channel. Okay, so these two. Now comes a very interesting thing. So I am in love with all of the Dove exfoliator or shower gel sort of. So I have tried almost 7 variants of them already because I was counting the other day. In this particular sale season I bought 2 of them. One is from the exfoliating body polish in the variant of crushed macadamia and rice milk. It smells divine like all other variants. Okay, so this is a travel sized one because I have some travel plans upcoming, so I thought of buying the smaller one. This is their pomegranate seeds and shea butter one, not the strawberry one, but these two I bought in this particular sale season. Next, I have ordered a lip gloss from Kiro. I have tried the lip glosses earlier and they are of fantastic quality. So I wanted to try a new shade this time. So I have ordered in the shade Cocoa Walnut, and I got another one as free, which is in a very small cute packaging which I had already gifted to one of my niece. So this one I'm really waiting to try on a day, and I'm definitely going to show you that. So this one is one. Next is the very exciting one, Nykaa's fragrance, the Moe Pistachio Swirl Long Lasting Perfume for Women, and the packaging looks very yummy because of its color. I have used this today and I really like it. But this is a very nice one, and most importantly this lingers on your skin for a very long while. It's a very long lasting formula.